Yo, anti mwabacha aliyewela karibu munda twayingire the Alien Skin Champion Gudo olunaku lwalero. Mwina kye mutugambayo tuline family fena twasazeeko dda tu.
Amaje gali wagu wasazeeko nabo.
Amaje gaja gali muku amaje gali brand soldier buli omu wali. Yo move forward right now. You movie.
Do you know Alien Skin?
I do. I've met him more than once.
And a song of Alien Skin.
That one I'll sing along when he's performing.
Nenga bana kye batugambayo.
Bakole atanajja.
Bananga atanajja. Simanyi byoliko. Nenga gwe manya olaba lasijaganda wali kati gwana akyali ewaka. Duka emisinde mingi nnyo tusaleko ffe twakusazeeko dda we tuli.
Oba mwayiseeko dda.
Byonna bye bimu.
DJ 85.
Asitudde tulina
View natural mineral water.
View natural mineral water.
Funawe miliki. Genda ali ku mulyango. Ofule pint ya 12.
Nakalira mutuke baba vibe zokka tewali.
Jeje sounds ali mu sound.
Ali atakatuka.
Yes boss.
Kemudde byatandise.
Katwaze.
Omuddo gugawula bwomi anko mwana.
TV.
Yes,
omuddo gugawula bwomi.
Kafulu kwa bana mu Uganda. International. Siya babu, Subaru timu Kaumbi.
Yaman,
Twebazaji.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day